So the question is, sucrose decomposes in acidic solution into glucose and fructose according to the first order rate law. With T half is equal to 3 hours, what fraction of sample of sucrose remains after 8 hours? So in this question, we have been given the first hint that it is a first order rate law, and the second given hint is T half is equal to 3 hours. Okay, so we have to find the fraction of sample of sucrose remaining after 8 hours. I'm highlighting the important points in the given question. So as we move forward, for first order reaction, so this is a general formula for chemical kinetics if we are having a first order reaction. So Kt is equal to 2.303 log R naught by R, where R naught is the initial concentration of the reactant and R is the final concentration of the reactant after time t. Okay, so we have been given that the half-life is equal to 3 hours. Here it is given. I have written T half also here. Therefore, K is equal to 0.693 divided by half-life. How did we get this relation? It is very simple. Look at this. Look at this equation. Okay. So for half-life means the concentration of the final concentration of the reactant is half of the initial concentration of reactant. So instead of R, we will write here R naught by 2. Okay. So R naught will get cancelled out and we will get log 2 in this part. Okay. So what will this equation look like? K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log 2. Instead of T, you can write T half because we are calculating the value of K for T half. Okay. So from after solving this, we will get K in terms of T half, and this is the required relation, okay, between K and rate constant and the T half. Okay. So it comes out to be 0.231 per hour in the case of this reaction. Moving on, so we will put the value of K as 0.231 per hour in this equation is equal to 2.303 divided by 8 as it is given. After 8 hours, we have to find the fraction log R naught by R. Moving further, log R naught by R is equal to 0.231 into 8 divided by 2.203. We will take the antilog and it comes out 6.3445. So R naught by R is equal to 6.3445, but we have to find the fraction of the remaining. So it will be inverse of this. So we will get 0.157, this is the approximate value. Okay. Therefore, fraction of the sample of sucrose remains after 8 hours is 0.157.